Hello, this is James, and we're back with another programming tutorial. This time we're going to deal with basic if statements, if-else statements, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. So we'll just start with a common if in Ruby. So we're going to use literals this time, though you would never really do that. Just empty strings. If empty string equals empty string, end. And whatever you want to run conditionally if that is true. So we'll do just basic puts like we did with the Hello World tutorial. And we'll do it works. All right, now we got wait equals gets. Now notice there are two equal signs when you're using the if. That's the comparison operator. Well, one of them. There's another that has three, but you only really want to use that if you're testing to see if a variable has been set. Maybe there's other uses. I don't know them yet. I will probably learn those if there are other uses. But wait equals gets just waits for you to put a string in, and then once you put that in and press enter, it will get that value and save it to wait. So basically that's just so we can just click on this and see it lives. Now let's say we want to add an else to this, like something that is done only if it is false. Like if this doesn't run. Then we want an else in here. Else does not require any of these shenanigans. It just runs if the previous thing is false. So let's do, well, thing or things. Let's do, I should probably mention 2 spaces are the convention in Ruby for either a new scope or being inside conditionals. I don't really understand why, but that's what it is. So that's what it is. And we obey the conventions. It works, but it's false. Now we want to change that empty string to one that's not empty. So say D or random letters. And then we go here. We save, exit out, we run it again. It works, but it's false. And that's else if. Well, else and if. But let's say you want to test for one condition and then another, and then if none of those are true, you want to do the thing. So for that, you do elsif, which is spelled kind of funny. It's ELSIF, because Ruby, and that's why. And then you would want the condition. And another comparison operator, which is 2 equal signs right next to each other. No spaces, nothing. Now, let's do puts. The second one is false. All right, now once you got that in there, we can save again. I just use Control S And then we click on test.rb. The second one is false. So that's your basic if-else elsif tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Don't get eaten, and I'll see you in the next video.